Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today's recipe is restaurant style paneer tikka, which is served as an appetizer and it tastes great with chutney. And so before we start, I'd like you to subscribe my channel. So we are going to start with chopping the veggies in square pieces like this, and we're going to prepare the marinade. For that we need a half a cup of yogurt or curd. This is very thick curd. Along with it, I'm going to add ginger, green chili and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon haldi or turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, that is optional, salt as per taste. And this is my personal preference. I added chili garlic sauce or chili garlic chutney. It gives a really nice spicy flavor to it. So I'm going to mix everything well, and now I'm going to add the veggies and homemade paneer. I chopped it in similar pieces just like the veggies. Now mix everything well until everything is well coated, and we are going to leave this for about at least 20 minutes. The more you leave it, more flavorful it will be, but 20 minutes is enough. Now after 20 minutes, let's arrange them onto a skewer. So first I'm gonna put the bell pepper slice and then onion and paneer and repeat the same process. So here our skewers are ready to be grilled. Now you can grill this on tawa, that's what we are going to do today, but you can also use the sandwich grill machine, or you can also use the oven. So here I'm applying oil, or you can also use butter on tawa, and then I'm going to grill it until all the sides are cooked. So just turn it over and until you see some brown spots, that's when you know it's ready. This is really easy to make and it is very appetizing and very flavorful. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So here our paneer tikka is ready. Now take it out on a serving plate. I laid some lettuce and I put that top of it. It looks really yummy and very appetizing. So I'm going to dip this into chutney and enjoy it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you like the recipe, and if you try it, please let me know in the comment box below. If you like to see this video in Hindi, please click the link on the screen.